Dobby. How are you, my friend?
Good.
Yeah.
Hey, I'm Donnie with Gauge Magazine. I'm here at CES.
Just come here.
GaugeMagazine.com. Make sure to check us out on the web. I'm here at CES at the Orion booth. Unbelievable display you have here.
Yeah.
Tell me about your 2019 ZL1 Camaro.
Oh yes, I got this Camaro recently. This is the new car, the new baby for shows.
Right.
And Orion also is supporting the Marco ZL, that is my kid, that is a go-kart pilot in the junior class.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yes, and maybe he will run in very soon this car. And
so this is the 2019 Orion demo car plus a tribute car to your son's go-kart racing.
Yes.
That's awesome.
I want to do something.
That's
just
awesome.
Right now, this is a Camaro. This is a 2019. That is a version ZL1-1E.
1E, a ZL1.
This is a 6-speed manual. It's not automatic manual.
Right. So it's fun to drive.
Yes.
Right.
And that's 650 ponies.
Right.
But just right now, I have my ponies, my horsepower, on the audio.
Right. Well, let's walk around back and tell me about it.
Come on.
Follow us around.
These are the new amplifiers, the new XCR Pro Mini amplifiers. All that you see here is RNS watts, it's real power, it's not toy power.
Right.
Okay, and use 210s. This is a very nice design.
Right. Oh, it's beautiful. I came by earlier and I was showing off this to one of the other installers here at the show. I was like, look at just the beauty of it.
You want to get the heat inside?
Let's hear it, man. I want you to blow my head off this thing.
Yes, I want to blow your head. Okay. This is a 4 cylinders here and 4 cylinders more here.
Wow. How many horsepower from the factory?
650.
650.
Yes, by the moment.
Wow.
This is by the moment.
Yeah, right. So,
just the start.
Right. So what plans do you have coming for the motor?
The motor is so quickly, but I want to do more. I am just planning to get about 1200, 1600.
Oh, that's awesome.
Soon.
That's awesome.
I want the 0-60 less than 2 seconds. A little bit crazy. Slamology is for this.
Right.
Want to see the design of Slamology.
Right, for Slamology. So make sure to come and see this car in person June 8th and 9th, 2019 at Indianapolis, Indiana at Lucas Oil Raceway. Orion Car Audio presents Slamology. Come and see there. And we might have a little surprise coming for all you guys in 2022.
What's new we will have? We have been talking something about. We need to have.
We're going to have a little surprise for everybody coming up for 2020.
Yes, something new for 2020?
Yeah, something new coming. So
my God.
Keep tuned to all of our channels. Keep tuned to GaugeMagazine.com, Orion Car Audio, Slamology.com. Stay tuned, and we'll have a lot of good stuff coming out for you guys.
Yes.
See you in Indy.
See you later.